Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to set an alarm in Android smartphone device. Also, I will show you how to start a stopwatch in this device here. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more tutorial videos like this. So for that, first of all, you have to go to the clock application here. So in order to set an alarm, first of all, what you have to do is you have to click on this plus icon. Click on that. And now you can set your own alarm. For example, I'm setting alarm for like 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. Let's go for that. Now I will select the hour here, 8, and now I will select the minutes to 30. So here we have selected 8:30. So you can also select PM or AM based on your preference. So now you can also select the days on which you want to set this alarm. For example, I'm selecting Monday, Tuesday, or Friday and Sunday. I want to set this alarm for only these 4 days of the week. So you can also choose a name for your alarm. You can choose anything. Wake up, let's go for that. And after you select the name for that, you have to click on save, and it will save up the alarm for you. If you want to edit this, you can also edit this alarm. You can also change the time if you want. So here guys, you can also go for the alarm sound option. If you click on this alarm sound, here you can either download this alarm sound from the Spotify, or you can go to the ringtone if you have saved a audio file already in your mobile device. You can use that as your ringtone for the alarm sound. So let's go back, and you can also go for the vibration. If you click on the vibration, if you go for the short vibration, it will give a very short vibration. And if you go to the medium, it will increase the vibration for a little bit longer. And if you go for the heartbeat, it will vibrate 2 times. And if you go for the basic call, it will give you a very long vibration. You can also silent if you do not want to select any vibration, or you can choose no vibrations and you can turn off this vibration if you do not want any vibration for your alarm sound. So let's go back, and you can also, and after saving all of these settings, you can click on this save option here. Click on that and it will save all these settings for your alarm. So there's one more important thing in your alarm here. First of all, if you can also click on these 3 dots. Click on that, and now you can set your own sleep mode schedule. If you click on that, so in this feature is very useful. For example, if you want to adjust your sleeping schedule, you want to wake up early in the morning, or you want to get a good sleep, it will help you get that. You just have to click on this start icon here. Click on that, and now you can adjust your own sleeping schedule here. You can drag it with your fingers. You can select any time. Let's go for 9:30, I guess. 9:30 p.m. And if you want to wake up at 7 a.m. or if you want to wake up at 6 a.m., you can select here. So in this way, you can select different time for your sleep. And here you can also select the days here of the week. For example, if you want to choose it for only Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you can unselect other options, other days of the week. And now there's one more feature here. For example, if you can go for the vibration settings here, you can go for the vibration. If you click on the vibration, you can again choose the vibration as you did with the alarm sound. After selecting your sleeping schedule, you have to go to the next button here. Click on that, and here you will see 3 options. Do not disturb. If you do not want any of the calls or messages to disturb you in your sleep, you can select this do not disturb option here. Or you can go for the calls and messages. If you click on that, you will see different options. So here you can see calls. You can set the calls to none. If you do not want any calls, you can set it on none. And if you want all the calls coming during your sleep, you can select all. And if you want to turn on some specific calls, you can go for contacts only. So in this way, you can choose any options as per your convenience. Or you can go for repeat callers. For example, you're getting calls from the same number again and again within 15 minutes. You can also repeat the calls here. You can select this option or you can unselect it. And if you go for the messages, if you do not want any messages during your sleep, you can select it to none, or you can go for contacts only. Or if you want to allow all the messages, or you can go for the all button here. So in this way, you can choose different options. Go back. Now you can click on next button here. Click on that, and now you can choose settings to apply when sleep mode starts. And now you have chosen your sleeping schedule, and now you can choose any of these options if you want. And now after selecting all of that, you have to go to done button here. Click on that and it will save your sleeping schedule. And if you turn on this sleeping schedule, you can click on this turn on option. Click on that and it will turn on your sleeping mode. So it will not turn off automatically until you do that intentionally. So in this way, you can create your own sleeping schedule in your smartphone device. So here you can see, guys, I have already set the sleeping schedule from 9:30 p.m. to 6 a.m. And I have also set the alarm of 8:30 a.m. So in this way, you can set an alarm in your smartphone device. So guys, now I set both the alarms. So now I'm going to show you how you can set up a stopwatch here. You have to go to the stopwatch option here. Click on that, and here you can start your stopwatch. So in order to start your stopwatch, you have to click on start and it will automatically start your stopwatch here. So you can also create different laps in your stopwatch. You can press this lap option, click on that, and it will cut different parts of your stopwatch here. You can select more laps here. You can go for as many laps as possible. And if you want to stop this stopwatch, you can click on the stop button here and it will automatically stop your stopwatch here. Or you can again zoom by pressing the zoom button. And if you want to reset this stopwatch, you can also do that. You have to click on this reset button. Click on that and it will reset your stopwatch. It's that simple. So now you can also see your previous lap list. For that, you have to click on these three dots. And after clicking on these three dots, you have to go to the view previous lap list. Click on that and it will show up all the laps which you have created in the previous stopwatch time. You can also copy that if you want. In this way, you can start, stop, and zoom and make laps of your stopwatch. Let's reset the stopwatch here. Or you can also go to the settings and you can change the settings of your stopwatch if you want. In this way, guys, your smartphone can act as a stopwatch. You can use that anywhere, especially when you're running, you're exercising, for anything like that. It's a very helpful feature in this clock app here. So I will explain the world clock and the timer in the next videos, so do not miss that video. If you like my video, please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notifications from future videos. So thank you for watching.